In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly export your charts from Lucidchart into Microsoft Word. This process is incredibly useful when you need to integrate your diagrams and visuals directly into text documents for reports, presentations, or any collaborative work. Let's dive right in and make this transition as smooth as possible. First, let's head over to Lucidchart, which you can easily access by going to the website lucid.co. Once you're there, you'll notice a Login button prominently placed. Go ahead and click on that. If it's your first time, you'll find options to sign up, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you've already got an account or are ready to log in. As you proceed, you'll see an option to sign up with Google. This is a convenient method if you've linked your Google account to Lucidchart, enabling you to bypass additional login forms. Once logged in, take a moment to get reacquainted with your dashboard where you have access to your projects. Click on Open to browse and select the specific document you'd like to export to Word. After you've got your document open, turn your attention to the top menu bar and locate File. Clicking on File reveals a drop-down menu with various options. For the purpose of exporting, you need to choose Microsoft Word from this menu. This selection sets the stage for the next steps and starts the process of preparing your chart for integration with Word. Next, you'll need to install the Lucidchart add-on for Microsoft Word if it isn't present already. Simply click on Install for Microsoft Word. This action facilitates a smoother integration process and is crucial if you frequently work between these two platforms. Once this installation is complete, managing this connection will ensure your documents stay updated across platforms. Now let's move on to managing these connections. Find and click on the Manage Connections section. This feature helps you ensure that all your integrations are in place and functioning properly, giving you a clear path from Lucidchart to Word. Subsequently, hit Connect to Lucidchart, linking your chart resource to your Word services. A helpful tip: in situations where you're unable to use the direct export feature, you can alternatively export your Lucidchart file as a PDF or image. This method allows you to later manually insert these into your Word document. This workaround maintains a high quality of your visuals and remains a reliable option should you encounter any hiccups in direct exporting. And there you have it. Hopefully by now you have your Lucidchart visuals integrated into your Word document with minimal fuss. This seamless integration is ideal for enhancing the visual aspects of your documentation, making your work not only informative but visually engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your future projects.